guys, how you doing? Heading out for another day of service calls. Actually, I only have one call. It's Sunday. Should be my day off, but I'm gonna go run a call. It's a duplex, and they said that both coils are frozen. Both units, the coils are frozen. They see frost on the pipes coming out of the air conditioner in the closet. So there's either low refrigerant, a restriction somewhere, or low airflow across the coil. So we will go figure out what's going on there. Changed out this capacitor. We changed out the 10 microfarad blower capacitor on the inside. We have added 3 pounds of refrigerant to a system that holds probably about 6 3/4 maybe pounds, probably 7 pounds. So RLA is 11. We're at 7.5 right now. We've added enough refrigerant to get the subcooling and the superheat to a pretty decent level. It's fairly cool out right now, so it's only about 68 degrees outside right now. So my temp split right now is, before I just added the rest of this, temp split is was about 14 degrees when I went in there. So I just added another 3/4 pound of R22, and I'll bet you the temp split will be good now. This system obviously has a leak in it, so we're going to inject some dye into the system and come back in a couple weeks, and after it's been circulating, we'll come back and we'll do a leak search and find out where the leak is. So we got our dye hooked up here to the suction line. As I push the dye in, it's going to go into the suction line. Go into the suction line. And we have a 2-ton system, so really we only need to go down, a few lines here. We only need to inject so much dye. It doesn't make a big mess there or anything. But when we come back, we're going to use our yellow glasses, and we're going to use our flashlight, our purple flashlight, and we're going to scan the whole area. And as I use my flashlight on everything. Hopefully the leak will show up. Okay, here we can see major dropping of the Evap coil. That's pretty bad shape. Okay guys, well, we finished up that diagnostic at the Duplex. So he obviously had a really dirty evap coil, which was blocking airflow, which will cause the evap coil to freeze up. So it was so dirty. It's one of those situations where we'll clean it here and hopefully it's good enough to, you know, still get airflow through there. If it was so impacted, we'll find out soon enough. If it was so impacted that we can't even that it can't get airflow through there, then we'll find out soon enough it'll freeze up again. But when I left, we had 56-degree air flowing through the house, so obviously we have good airflow, and it held at 56. It's not like the temperature you know, kept going down or anything, so good to go on that. First call was the other half of the Duplex, and basically just needed some refrigerant, some R22, and they needed a couple capacitors, so we got them up and going. In the meantime, it sounds like I've got, you know, this lady has several properties in the area, and she's asked me if I could take over her accounts for because she likes the service. So that's cool. So I guess she's got like 11, I don't know, like 11 houses or something like that. So that's cool. So that's about it. It's Sunday, running Sunday calls and got them up and going, and that makes me feel good. So gonna head home now, and we will see you guys in the next video.